Hi, welcome to Dr. Health Post.
A recipe for protecting your arteries. Introduction. Cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer worldwide. Poor diet leads to excessive weight, insulin resistance, diabetes, and many other health problems that increase the risk of metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, clogging of arteries, and immune deficiencies. However, eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough rest can help protect your cardiovascular system. In this video, I will share with you a simple elixir recipe that can make huge changes in supporting your cardiovascular health and protecting your arteries. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, juice of 1/4 to 1/2 lemon, a few dashes of ground cayenne pepper, a drizzle or 2 of raw honey. Instructions: crush the garlic and let it sit out in the air for about 10 minutes to form allicin, which carries the powerful medicinal healing properties in our bodies. In a shot glass or glass, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and the crushed garlic. Add a few dashes of ground cayenne pepper. Squeeze the juice of 1/4 to 1/2 lemon and add it to the mixture. Drizzle a little bit of raw honey over the mixture. Mix everything together, and you can add a little bit of water to dilute it if you like. Drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, or after dinner or before dinner if you're able to tolerate the garlic and cayenne pepper. Benefits: extra virgin olive oil helps improve your good cholesterol, inhibit atherosclerosis, improve endothelial function, and reduce inflammation. Garlic helps lower high blood pressure, prevent scarring and hardening of the arteries, relax blood vessels, and prevent cell damage. Lemons contain flavonoids that help protect the arterial walls and detoxify the liver. Cayenne pepper helps increase circulation, improve blood vessel strength, reduce plaque buildup in your arteries, boost feelings of satiety, and help curb hunger. Raw honey has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, and studies show that it has many different cardioprotective effects. Conclusion: this elixir recipe has a synergistic effect in helping your cardiovascular system and protecting your arteries. It can also benefit other systems throughout your body, from fat metabolism to glucose and insulin regulation, and hopefully prevent many diseases in the future. Remember to eat healthy, exercise, and get enough rest. Share this video with your friends and family and leave your comments below. Make it a great day.